Well, I'm doing research for Dr. Lawrence, and we use, well, one of our starting materials is this. I don't know if you can see that very well, but that's one of our starting materials, and we have to make it. And so yesterday what I did was I combined iron pentacarbonyl with this C4F9I group, and you get like your crude product, and then to purify it we have to sublime it, and that's whenever you take it from a solid to a gas, I think. A gas to a solid, and it collects on that finger right there, and like there's nothing on the finger right now, but in a minute it'll start collecting a red solid, and I've got, like, you have to do it several times, and this is what I've gotten so far.
And this is part of the research that you're doing?
Yes, this is I'm making, well, see, I had a lot of it. We had a lot of starting material, but I've done a lot of reactions, and so I had to make some more. We made a lot at the beginning of the summer, but we ran out. So right now I'm making starting material. But what my project is I take this iron reagent, and then I combine it with a silver reagent and an aromatic compound, which an aromatic is just that ring, and I put different, well, we use benzene, which is this one, and then we use other ones like paraxylenes, which is this, and then we use I use dimethoxybenzene, which is this, and this C4F9 group will it's transferred from this iron reagent to my aromatic compound. And so basically what my project is just exploring the scope of perfluoroalkylation of arenes. I'm just finding out like which compounds we can perfluoroalkylate, and like how good our yields can be, and how we're going to separate them. So that's what my project is.
And if I was just the average guy just sitting back in my recliner watching Gilligan's Island, how would you explain to me what your research is about, just in very simple layman's term? What are you trying to find? What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to, aromatic compounds are, a lot of biologically active compounds are aromatics with different substituents hanging off of them. Like, for instance, this would be a substituent, and like this is a substituent, and a lot of aromatics are biologically active, and they make up, like, the pharmaceutical companies use aromatics a lot, and they also use perfluoroalkylated arenes a lot, and so we want to have an easy and versatile way to make these kind of compounds.
And what are the implications of your research?
That, well, ultimately we want to, like, sell the idea to the pharmaceutical and